Walsdorf Village.
Vulkaninsel. Dat is een vulkan.
This
Volcano.
is, and they also have a nice church in Walsdorf Village. So every village they have a church, and it's beautiful church. Sometimes it's a chapel. Look, it's nice house. This is Walsdorf.
In 1 kilometer,
Dorp means
at the roundabout,
village.
take the second exit onto B421.
Let's go straight. Ayan o, mga village dito. Ayan. Tahimik. Their life is quiet and peaceful. Parang walang mga tao lang. Kasi nagtatago sila sa loob because it's cold.
Everybody's up there. So all the cars, many cars up there. You don't know what
But
there
of
is.
course, they don't use their car if they only go there. They will walk. So the people with the car is from other places. Look. So this is
Christmas.
Walsdorf
What
Village.
have we done?
So we're exiting
Another
now
year over.
the village of Walsdorf.
New one
At
has
the roundabout,
begun.
take the second exit onto
You
B421.
see, there is Walsdorf.